connecting advanced technologies with a safer, secure world, and offering customers with technology that help them further innovate the world. KPF is a leading company of Korea's fundamental industry, connecting worlds together. With unending passion and innovation to become the standard in global industrial fasteners and automotive parts technologies. Opening new possibilities in automotive and industrial parts for the future. KPF. Since its establishment in 1963, KPF has always thought of what customers need, what customers prefer. And for the past 50 years, KPF has gone over and beyond customer satisfaction, answering customer requests with passion and the utmost skill. With the main office in Pangyo and main factory line in Cheonju, KPF's network includes the Busan Operations Office as well as subsidiaries and branches in China, Vietnam, the US, and Germany, and is always embarking on new challenges to expand its global presence. Through ceaseless change and innovation, KPF is changing the future of industrial fasteners and automotive parts technology. KPF jumped into the parts business in 2006 and is the only company in Korea possessing Korea's first hot and cold former facilities, and is able to access both for required main automotive parts with a competitive edge for production, quality, and unit price. Offering direction for the future of automotive parts technology, KPF manufactures core components for the hub, steering, transmission, engine, and chassis. KPF's productive capabilities are optimized for the manufacture of diverse automotive parts and has built great customer credibility through its processing technologies that guarantee durability and precision, which is an absolute requirement for making automotive components. And with its accumulated automotive parts production capabilities, KPF established a subsidiary in China in 2011. With streamlined hot forging, processing, to heat treatment, it supplies parts not only for the Chinese domestic market, but also for Europe and the US to global corporations worldwide. KPF's automotive components are used by most well-known car companies all over the world and has established solid customer relationships based on credibility. As the first developer of TC bolts in Korea, KPF has continuously been upgrading its established technologies for steel structures, widely used in architecture and construction. KPF's fasteners have helped erect the Yeongjong Bridge, Incheon Bridge, Tower Palace Apartments, and other notable architecture throughout Korea, and have also been used in Intel, Tesla, and Apple buildings, the Miami Airport, London's Olympic Stadium, and they have become a part of many of the world's famous architectural landmarks. KPF supplies fasteners used in onshore and offshore plants such as stud bolt and heavy hex bolts to all over the world. KPF satisfies the safety and quality requirements specified by customers through strict quality control, and supplies its products to Korea's main petrochemical plants such as the Yeosu GS Caltex and Ulsan Daesan Petrochemical Complex, as well as to petrochemical plants all around the world, including the Middle East, Indonesia, the US, and even the Arctic Circle. The super alloy nut, developed from automatic formers, a first for Korea, divided up the basis for KPF's competitive advantage to take hold for offshore plant markets. In 1970, KPF developed Korea's first hex cap screw, which has since been constantly improved upon, which gave rise to the production and supply of the track shoe bolt nut, 12-point flange nut and flange screw, cylinder head bolt, and guide bolt nut, and other various heavy equipment fasteners for production, and is even playing a part in the advancement of the defense industry. With a keen interest in tomorrow's green energy, KPF continues its research and development for bolts and nuts to be used in wind turbines, and works with GE Wind and Siemens, as well as other global wind generator and blade manufacturers involved in turbine production projects. In 2010, with a focus in entering the fastener markets in Europe and the United States, KPF established its subsidiary in Vietnam, which oversees heat treatment of raw materials, drawing, molding, heat treatment, electrogalvanization, plating, and packaging in a streamlined process, guaranteeing cost-effective quality competitiveness. And operations are expanding beyond Vietnam and Europe to all over Asia as well. Like this, KPF supplies and offers technology and products optimized and required by the specifications of each project, aiding our clients in their successful completion of their projects. An enterprise that grows together with its customers. An enterprise at the helm of leading the future of global parts and materials industry, KPF. With a sense of duty for social contribution and to make this world a more heartwarming place to be in, KPF is sharing in small but very significant ways. By promoting environmental, welfare, and safety campaigns amongst all staff members and to help employees work more safely. KPF works with over 77 partnered companies and supports a network of mutual growth through aiding in productivity improvement and purchase support to respond to the quick changes of the market and to maintain a competitive edge in a global market. With the completion of the new main office in Pangyo in 2014, KPF merged with TMC, a world-leading cable company for the shipping industry and global cable professional company under the family name Songhyeon Group. With all of its accumulated experience in manufacturing, KPF has embarked on a new challenge as a distributor dedicated to becoming the world's most trusted parts and materials specialist. Those that never give up and fearlessly innovate. KPF's ceaseless challenging spirit has always grown together with its customers, adding power to the heart of a running car, holding together the bridges where countless vehicles cross above the oceans, and helping transform the power of the wind into clean energy. KPF's technologies embrace the world head-on, offering customers optimized technologies as a partner for future technologies, and as a partner to our customers who create the new values of the future. The world's best parts and fasteners manufacturer, KPF.